Boom, boom, boom. What's up, viewers and subscribers? You don't know, so it's your boy FaySkull, and welcome to another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs. Them. Without no further ado, these are the top 10 trending dancehall songs this week. Let's go. Alright, so at the number 9 spot, who do we have? Number 10 spot, we have Skipper with Currency at the number 10 spot. Let's go. At a number 9 spot, we have Nardia, Mother Steel, featuring Not Nice with Christmas Carol. Let's go. At a number 8 spot, who do we have? Governor with Letter. Let's go. At a number 7 spot, who do we have? Jamal with Father. Let's go. At a number 6 spot, who do we have? Chronic Law featuring DJ Mac. Badness Upgrade .2. Let's go. Yeah. At a number 5th spot, we have Armani. Lose Your Love. Let's go. The ladies them. At a number 4th spot, we have Charlita and Skitty Bang, Without You. Let's go. At a number 3rd spot, who do we have? Michael Montano with Skinny Fabulous and Little Natty. And among other people. Pull the pin. Let's go. Number 2nd spot, who do we have? Skipper and DJ Mac with YWFL. Let's go. At number 1 spot, we have James B. Love and Bless featuring Shaka Lopa. You see me? Let's go. Yeah, so those are the top 10 trending dancehall songs for this week, you know what I mean? So let's stay tuned for another week of the top 10 trending dancehall songs. Yeah, let's go.